It's your girl, the Master Stylist, coming at you again with another tape-in video. This one is featuring Ywigs. They sent me 3 bundles of their curly tape-ins, and let's get to work. So it comes off pretty easy. Just peel the tape off, and I'm just gonna part her hair around and straighten out the beauty beads. And then I'm gonna place the first tape, not too close, and put the other tape underneath. And I take my, I don't know what they're called, pliers, and I smash them together. Now, I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. This hair is so amazing. Like, I love the hair. She and I both love the hair, but this process just did not come out the way that I wanted to. And it was, I guess, me going against my better judgment. The hair didn't match her texture, even though her hair is natural, and I did press it so that the tapes can stick. But her curl is actually a little tighter than the tape ends. And yeah, I ain't gonna talk too much. So I'm gonna let y'all watch, and then I'll be back when I get to the good part. Team DMS. Okay, so this is where it started getting concerning, because I was like, oh, I don't know if this gonna work out, because you can see the tapes, you can see her straight hair, and oh, I don't know, y'all. I started getting a little worried. So you can see right here, it's the install is flat. She can wear it up in a ponytail. She can wear it in a high bun. The hair is very soft, and I just love the way the hair felt. So this is where I think I fucked up at. So I put foam wrap on her hair and blend it in, because that's usually what I do with my hair. If I wear curly hair, I just put foam wrap on there and I comb it through the hair, and it blends right in. But sis hair was not doing that. It was not doing that. If y'all see, it was just it wasn't working out. So I was like, okay, well, let me just twist it in and see if I twist it in, and how that'll work. But sis got some real thick hair. So I twisted all the top, I slicked it back, and I was like, okay, well, we'll see how that works. Then I was like, okay, so maybe I should just do like a side part, try something else. So that wasn't working either. So I really probably should have crimped her hair with it. But I don't know. I think we just really should have I don't know, y'all. I was so aggravated. Like, I hate when stuff don't come out the way that I wanted it to. But it was so cute. Like, but just wearing it like down, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. So we ended up just going with a ponytail and letting her wear it. And I told her to come back and um, let me straighten it out and just wear it straight. That probably would be the best thing. But the hair is so good. Like the hair is so soft. It didn't have much shedding. It was easy to comb. It took, I mean, I don't know. The hair was right. It was me. I fucked it up. So I am honestly open to any suggestions in the comments. What would you have done different? What could I have done different? Because this is a learning experience for me. So I don't have a problem sharing my failures as well as my good things on here. So y'all leave a comment below, and I'll see you for the next video.